Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to talk about best Windows 10 Home Virus Pro and help you understand which version is better for your needs and why. Method 1. Check BitLocker in Windows 10 Pro. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and type BitLocker in the search bar to quickly find the built-in drive encryption feature. BitLocker is used to protect your data by encrypting your drives, which helps keep your files safe from unauthorized access. Step 2. Click on Manage BitLocker from the search results to open the BitLocker settings window in Control Panel. This is where you can control encryption settings for all available drives on your computer. Step 3. Click on Turn on BitLocker for any drive you want to secure, and follow the on-screen instructions to enable encryption. This feature is especially useful if you store sensitive or personal information on your PC. Method 2. Use Group Policy Editor. Step 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, which allows you to open advanced system tools quickly. This shortcut helps you access hidden administrative features. Step 2. Type gpdit MSC in the Run box and click OK to open the Local Group Policy Editor. This tool is mainly available in Windows 10 Pro and is used to manage system policies. Step 3. Open any policy folder and configure or disable specific Windows features as needed. Group Policy Editor is powerful because it allows you to control system behavior permanently. Method 3. Enable Remote Desktop. Step 1. Open Settings from the Start menu to access your system configuration options. Settings is where most Windows features are managed. Step 2. Click on System to open system-related options like Display, Sound, and Remote Access settings. This section contains important device controls. Step 3. Click on Remote Desktop from the left panel to view Remote Access options. Remote Desktop allows you to control your PC from another device over a network. Step 4. Turn on the Remote Desktop toggle to allow remote connections to your computer. This is very useful if you want to access your files or applications from another location. Method 4. Enable Hyper-V. Step 1. Open Control Panel from the Start menu to access advanced system settings. Control Panel includes tools that are not always available in the Settings app. Step 2. Click on Programs to manage installed software and Windows features. This section helps you modify system components. Step 3. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off to open the Windows Features window. Here you can enable or disable optional Microsoft features. Step 4. Check the box for Hyper-V and click OK to enable Microsoft's built-in virtualization tool. Hyper-V allows you to create and run virtual machines on your PC. Step 5. Restart your PC to apply the changes and fully activate Hyper-V. Restarting ensures that all system components are properly configured. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech videos.